back to Pastel Peony channel. Today I have a new bag from Longchamp I bought online, and they have a new colors comes in during this fall season, and I immediately check out because I really love the new color that comes in. I already opened, but I can show you. This is the bag that I bought from Longchamp. So it's a Longchamp Le Pliage. So it's a brown color, which is very perfect color for fall season. And this is the color how it look like closely. So it's so pretty, and this is in the green collections. That means the leather over here will be in green. There'll be the Longchamp logo over here. And as you guys know, Longchamp has no compartment because it's just an empty space inside like so. And the inside over here is in brown, which I really like it. And here is and this is a care card. So that is a need that you should have the back structure, or at least the base that you can buy from Shopee or Lazada and put inside, so that it keep the shape to be more structured. Because Longchamp on its own, they are not a structure bag. So if you didn't put anything, the bag at the bottom will look like this. Usually it doesn't look nice. I think if there's a base below here, it will look nicer. The reason that I bought another one in the different shade is because first, I really love how Longchamp being a perfect bag for work. It's very lightweight, easy to take care of, and it has a long shoulder handle over here, which make it easier to carry, and it fit a tons. I carry a lot of things when I go to work. Let's see what fit in here. I already put the stuff that I usually brought to the office into this bag, and it had a certain weight. However, I'm very sure that the bag weight is quite lightweight because of the material. And let's see what's inside. So I usually take the cardigan with me because the office is very cold, but because Singapore weather in general is quite hot, it's only cold in MRT and in the office. So I carry the cardigan separately because when I walk outside it's quite hot, but when in the office it's quite cold. So I usually put this in my bag and wear it in my office. I have other stuff inside, which is mostly my snacks and also my cosmetic pouch and my wallet. So this is one of the snacks that I usually bring through, some like 1 or 2 package of snacks that I like to grab during the day. And I have my hair scrunchie. I have my house key, which is from Louis Vuitton. And I have my favorite Chanel small wallet. I have a cosmetic pouch from Good Toad. So I'm not sure whether they have this available on their website, but they usually put it back in stock. So inside it comes with quite a few things that is a touch up during the day. I have my powder, I have my oil control films, numbers of lipstick in here, one from Maybelline, from this one from Chanel, and this one from the lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. And my jaw is really headache, so I usually put this in my pouch as well. So I can see add on the small stuff inside this cute pouch. And other than that, the last thing that I have inside here is my spec. Yeah, it's my spec cover, and the cover is from Katkistan. And that's all about my new Longchamp bag. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you again in the next video. Bye bye.